Last time I hiked Calico Tanks, the water was completely gone. Today, it wasn't. I've only done this trail once before, and I've always wondered what it looked like when the tank actually had water, so I came back to find out. I've been getting myself back outside lately, rebuilding my endurance and undoing a few years of sitting behind a desk. These hikes are part of that. This trail isn't long, but it makes you work. Sandstone steps, tight climbs, and just enough shade to keep you honest.
Halfway through, I'm gonna have to take a break. Just let it sit for a minute. Oh yeah, check out the shirt, guys. Got one made up for me.
The last time I came through here, the whole basin was dry, just a carved out bowl in the rock. Cool, but not what I was hoping for. But today, this is what I came for, actual water in the tank. A little pool the desert only shows after the right storms. The water changes the whole vibe of this place. The color, the quiet, the canyon feels alive when there's water in it. Don't stop once you get to the tanks. Keep going, keep climbing. There's more to see. This view never gets old. Vegas way out there, all the rock around you. It's one of the best spots in Red Rock. All right, folks, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the hike. As always, stay hydrated, eat your Uncrustables. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming with me on this journey. See you next one.